Introducing the smoker module kit. First step is to lay our blue tubes on the floor here with the three-way corners. So here we are, we're slipping them together. It's so fast and easy. It's just like playing with Legos with this ConnecTubes. There's no comparison between the ease of ConnecTubes to the stud and tracks that were used in the old days. This is just so much easier, and the price is so great for this now. Now we'll go ahead and lock this in with screws with no vice clamp needed. See, we screw in real close to the coupler. That way we make sure we hit that coupler. We use our shoes to hold it in place when we're screwing it. In under 90 seconds, we screwed the whole thing on the bottom of it. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and put in our vertical tubes. Now we're slipping on the tubes with yellow paint. Those are our vertical tubes. These are cut short to make this nice smoker module. Look at how easy that is. Okay, we're slipping in our three-way corners. Now we're sliding on our tubes with blue paint. They're the same length as end frame CTT tubes with blue paint. And we're just quickly sliding that in. It's very easy with this ConnecTubes. This is going to make a nice solid frame, a platform frame for a heavy smoker. Now that it's all slipped together, we're going to go ahead and lock it in with our screws. Now we have all four corners locked into place. And you can see how fast this, within a couple of minutes, we had the frame assembled here, the perimeter frame. Now we'll move on to the next step. So now we've got the CTT in the center here, and we lock it in with the screws. One screw, one screw, one screw, one screw, and that makes sure it'll support the cement board on top for our smoker. So now we take our last two vertical tubes, we slip the one-ways in, and we're going to secure them centered on both sides here, the front side and the back side. And there it is. We've completed our smoker module, and now it's ready to tie into the other modules. This is the perfect size, 32 by 32, to support a Commodore smoker, like the Green Egg XL or Green Egg, or one of those Primo smokers. Here we position the smoker module next to the grill module. You can see the difference in height. This is the standard 35-inch height module, and then here is our lower smoker module, approximately 17 inches high without the cement board. Now we'll go ahead and try another configuration, but before we do, to connect this to this module, you would need 4 connector plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, we would want to clamp this together when we tie in our connector plates so it's nice and tight and flush. So here the smoker module, we positioned it between two other modules. Now this is nice because it was so easy to assemble this smoker module and just connect this with connector plates. You'd have 4 connector plates to tie it into that module and 4 connector plates to tie it to this module. A total of 8 connector plates sold separately. And now you would go ahead and order our smoker module rear wall kit. That's sold separately for this type of configuration. That includes 2 of these vertical tubes. We're going to slip our standard one-ways into this first vertical tube for the bottom area. That's the one with wings on both sides. Okay, and we go ahead and we slip it in there and just rest it on top there and lock it in with a screw on the top side. So there and over here. Because we can't get a screw underneath, we double screw on the top, so that keeps it straight. Now we'll go ahead and install the next one up at the countertop level. To use our one-sided one-ways here to get it near the top. We'll just slide them right into our VT, identified with yellow paint. There we go. And we'll just slide it in there near the top. Just like that, and make it nice and flush to the countertop, and we'll go ahead and double screws below. You might want to use a vice clamp to hold in position while you're screwing. Now we need to install a vertical tube here and one there, and that's to support the cement board on the inner walls on the right side and the left side. Installing that one side one way on that end, and then one on the other end. We'll slip it into position over there on the frame. Just like that. As far as we can go close to that screw. And that's going to give us cement board support. We'll have cement board from here all the way to the back, and that'll hold the back. So you can screw the cement board onto this one, onto that one, and across the top one. That's plenty to hold it in position. You can use a hammer to get it perfectly located. We recommend that if you don't have a VT left over to put in the middle here, go ahead and buy an extra VT and put it in the center for extra support on the cement board. Like this one already had a VT on that module on the end, so that makes it super strong. Putting the left one into place here, and we'll just go ahead and screw that in. It's very easy.
I used to build smoker modules with studs and tracks, and it usually used to take me about 30 to 45 minutes. Now that I'm using ConnecTubes, I do this under 10 minutes. Makes it fast and easy to build. I will never go back to using studs and tracks again. And now I'm happy that I get free shipping over $400 with ConnecTubes. Thank you.
That concludes our video for using and assembling the smoker module, and also about installing the sold separately rear wall kit when you're putting the smoker module between two other modules. Thank you.